Two iconic airlines take off head-to-head. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the global giant, American Airlines. And on the right, the West Coast specialist with legendary service, Alaska Airlines. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's our game plan for today. We're going to look at network size and reach, cabin experience, loyalty programs, pricing and value, service reputation, and the Hawaii-Mexico leisure routes. Yep, all the stuff that actually matters when picking an airline. Okay, first up, network size and reach. American Airlines is really on another level, like 350 plus destinations in 60 countries. You've got 10 major U.S. hubs, and thanks to its One World alliance, you can technically hop to almost 1,000 places worldwide. It's wild. But the flip side, honestly, sometimes that massive size means congestion and delays pop up more often than you'd hope. Now, Alaska Airlines, it's a little more niche. Super strong on the West Coast, recently expanding like crazy with 142 destinations. Hawaii gets some real VIP attention here. And they joined One World too, but really, the international side just isn't as vast as AA. So, network, American takes the win, hands down. Moving on to cabin experience. If you're chasing luxury, American Airlines has some pretty epic options. Flagship first in business class with those lie-flat seats, especially on those long-haul international flights. Tons of cabin styles, and yes, those fancy lounges. But, and I gotta be real, service can be a little hit or miss depending on the route. You never quite know. Alaska, though, their regular cabins are actually super comfy. And you know what? Their service reputation is pretty stellar. They did just roll out lie-flat business seats, only on specific cross-country flights for now, though. So if you're after a spread of options and ultra-premium, American's going to top this category again. Let's talk loyalty programs next, because who doesn't want those sweet, sweet miles? American Airlines runs AAdvantage. It's got a huge partner network, and yeah, you can rack up miles by just swiping the right credit card. But here's the thing. Status levels are more about how much cash you spend than how far you fly. And sometimes, using points feels pricier than it should. Alaska's mileage plan? Dude, it's award-winning for a reason. You earn status just by flying miles, and the partner redemptions, especially to Hawaii, are super valuable. Fewer partner airlines overall, but for frequent flyers, it's just a better deal. This one goes to Alaska. Easy. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Alaska Airlines actually started out flying tiny planes over the Alaskan wilderness? Flash forward, now they're the West Coast's not-so-secret weapon. All right, pricing and value. American covers more routes, so sometimes you get better competition, and those basic economy fares are, surprisingly, not as mean as some rivals. But if you're eyeing premium seats, prepare to pay. Alaska, though, they've got solid deals, especially if you're a West Coast regular. Frequent sales, good award pricing, but head far from their core region and the deals thin out a bit. Still, overall, Alaska feels friendlier on your wallet, so they snag this round. Let's talk service reputation. Confession. American tries, but they get mixed reviews. You'll usually be fine on flagship routes, but cross fingers for everything else. Alaska? Oh man, people rave about their crews. You know that old school, friendly vibe that's kind of missing in big airlines? Alaska still has it. They consistently score high in customer satisfaction. So, no contest here. Alaska's the winner. Final category. Hawaii, Mexico, and all those dreamy leisure routes. American gets you almost anywhere, even some cool sun destinations. But for Hawaii, only a few nonstops from select cities. Alaska? Come on, if you want Hawaii from the West Coast, this is the juggernaut. Plus, they're launching new routes all the time. Belize, Bahamas, Costa Rica, tons of Mexico flights. And after merging with Hawaiian Airlines, it's an absolute vacation powerhouse. Catch is, outside these vacation routes, they're not as international. Still, Alaska clearly dominates this category. Let's throw all those scores together in a quick radar chart. You'll see American leans hard into global reach and big boy business cabins, but Alaska totally slays on loyalty, service, leisure, and pricing. So, which airline should you actually go with? If you're heading international, need lots of options, or just love those premium seats, American's got your back. But if you're West Coast based, Hawaii bound, or want ridiculously friendly service and a loyalty program that actually feels rewarding, Alaska's the no-brainer. If this breakdown helped you finally decide, don't forget, bookmark this for your next flight hunt. Picking airlines in 2025 shouldn't be guesswork.